Hello everyone. So we got this last little bit to do, and honestly I kind of want to do something with these covers. They're so plain. So that was what I'm deciding to do next, is these beautiful little covers. Just something. Don't have to be much, but something to make them a little bit more decorative. I do have some pieces here that I think would be just something, again, just a little decorative for it. Create some piece of decoration on it. So I'm gonna put my Fabri-Tac on this. This is not going to hurt the piece at all or anything else. It just gives it a little bit more of an addition to it rather than having it so plain. So we got our first one done here. Now something for this blue one. That is blue and pink. This has pinks and blues in it. Again, let's see. I'm just pulling a couple different pieces here. That one might work. This one might work. This is another blue and pink. I think this one would work the best. But then check out which one you think makes the most sense. I really like this one. I think this one's it. So I'll glue down this one. And this can get glued down, hot glue gun, Fabri-Tac, it don't really matter. So I think now we are pretty much done with these journals. I don't really want to do too much decorating other than that. The basic decorating we did, because I want it, whoever gets these journals, to be able to add little bits and pieces as they want to. I don't want it to be held with just my stuff. Or I might just stick these in a journal with a bunch of put my ephemera that I have left over that goes with the journal into it. That's what I normally do with stuff like this. I use it like an ephemera holder. This one already has a few things, but that's what I do, is pieces then that I have a lot of ephemera, I just use them and stick them in these pockets and everything. And I find it's a great way, again, to hold that ephemera into a journal on that front page. I use these for that aspect, or like my fabric envelopes, or envelopes like this. I have these hold on to the pieces that I already had, and that type of thing. So I mean, it all depends on what you like and dislike when it comes down to it. But I like making this for journals. Again, it works well to hold on to your, if you're using a digital kit, for example, to hold on to them pieces them extra pieces that somebody may want to use in that journal. And this way you're not holding on to the digital kit forever. So that's why I make stuff like this, or ephemera folders, or envelopes, different things like that, is just to hold on to these pieces. Now I have extra pieces like this and this and everything. I might make a tag for in this one or this one, kind of a thing, but it goes into my scraps, to be honest. So I hope you enjoyed doing this lovely series. And again, let's just go through these and as together, and just a quick walkthrough of both of them. The pink one, I chose to keep the front plain. It has its little flip out. It has this pocket right here. I'm just going to use this little thing here to show where the pockets are at. So there's pocket. Then our envelopes right here, it tucks out and we can slip something in here. And we can slip our pocket back in. Then our little flippy here, which is more decorative than anything. And our words here, and our little pocket here. And our little tuck spot here, and another little pocket here, and then our pocket in the back. And this hangs down, and I think this is just a lovely little piece. Now here is our blue one. We have our cover, which is all decorated. Then we open it up and we have a pocket right here. Right away, we have our little flip, and somebody could actually write on this part too, not only this part. Then we have our nice pocket here. Then we have our envelope here. Our tiny little envelope, and our little decorative piece here that's like an index card, and our Embrace Life, and a piece of lace here, and then another pocket right there, and then our side pocket right here, our pocket in here, and our last pocket, which has our mini journal, like mini tiny journals that we did a couple weeks ago. So there we go. We stick this in. And that's our button piece. So I hope you enjoyed doing this series with me. I know it seemed a little much at first, but it really comes together, and I love this. I think it's a cute little idea, and I'm probably going to keep the original again in my idea area. I just am grabbing stuff out of my idea area, honestly, and just doing them. Now, if you have a piece of wood or something, or an old button like this, you can decoupage it. I chose to just have plain buttons. That is your choice. Again, you do you. And also, look for my Etsy shop, My Hope Craft Shop. It's all one word, but I do have these, each separate word capitalize the first letter. And I also have a link below if you are interested in seeing some of my journals and stuff like that. Digitals. I do have a few digitals in there. So enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.